Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to bypass the forced Microsoft account sign-in when setting up Windows 11. This is especially useful if you prefer using a local account instead of linking your Windows installation to a Microsoft account. Before we jump into the fix, let's briefly talk about Windows 11 account creation and why Microsoft is pushing users to sign in with a Microsoft account. Why does Microsoft require an account? With Windows 11, Microsoft has made it increasingly difficult to set up a device without signing into a Microsoft account. Unlike previous versions of Windows, where you could simply choose to create a local account during setup, Windows 11 Home and even some Pro editions now require an internet connection and a Microsoft account sign-in before you can proceed with the setup. Microsoft claims that signing in with an account offers various benefits such as seamless integration with OneDrive for cloud storage, easy synchronization of settings and preferences across devices, access to Microsoft Store apps and services, enhanced security features like password recovery and device tracking. While these features can be useful, not everyone wants to sign in with a Microsoft account. Some users prefer a traditional local account for more privacy and control over their system. Fortunately, there's a way to bypass the Microsoft account requirement during setup, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. During Windows 11 setup, start by pressing the Shift key and F10 key together. If you're using a laptop that requires a function key for F10, press Shift plus Fn plus F10 instead. This will open up the command prompt. In the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter. This command will open the Network Connections window. Now right-click and disable all Ethernet and Wi-Fi connections. If you're using an Ethernet cable, unplug it as well. This will effectively disconnect your computer from the internet, preventing Windows from forcing you to sign in with a Microsoft account. Once you have disabled the internet, go back to the command prompt and type the following command. After typing in the command, press Enter and your PC should restart automatically. After your computer restarts, you will notice that you are no longer required to sign in with a Microsoft account. Instead, you will see an option that allows you to continue with limited setup. Click on that, and you can now create a local account just like in older versions of Windows. Once you have successfully bypassed the Microsoft account requirement and completed the setup, you will want to restore your internet connection. To do this, click on the Start menu and type ncpa.cpl, then press Enter. In the Network Connections window, right-click on your disabled network adapters, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and choose Enable. If you were using an Ethernet cable, plug it back in. Now your internet connection should be back up and running. And that's it. You've successfully bypassed the forced Microsoft account sign-in and set up Windows 11 with a local account. This method ensures that you have full control over your system without being forced to sign into a Microsoft account. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or if you'd like to see more Windows-related tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.